Shalom, family. It's your boy Makai, and welcome to a Spiritual Hebrew channel. As you guys can see from the title and thumbnail, we're going to be talking about what your soul is trying to tell you. So let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Joining me as I dive deep into my own soul, trying to uncover what it's really trying to tell me. The concept of the soul is often mystery and intangible, yet it plays a profound role in our personal growth and self awareness. Our soul is the essential of who we are, guiding us towards our highest potential and whispering truths we often ignore. As we navigate life's complexity, our soul tries to communicate with us, but we often struggle to listen. Hallelujah. That's facts. We're consistently bombarded with distractions from social media to the demanding of our daily routines, making it challenging to tune into our inner voice. Our minds are preoccupied with worries about the past or anxiety about the future, leaving little room for introspection. We're taught to prioritize logic and reason, which that's what man is taught to prioritize logic and reason over feelings, dismissing the gentle nudges and whisperings of our soul as mere intuition or chance. Moreover, we often taught to conform to societal expectations, silencing our soul, tests, and desires for uniqueness. Many of us have been conditioned to prioritize external validation, seeking approval from others rather than listening to our own soul's whisperings. We have been to be in we have been taught to fit in, to be like everyone else, and to suppress our unique qualities. As a result, we're left feeling unfulfilled, restless, and disconnected from our true selves. Hallelujah, Yehovah. This is exactly why I'm bringing this information to y'all because a lot of y'all, including myself, have been through or are going to go through this. So I want to be the one to help you guys bring y'all out of that run. As a result, I read that the noise of the world drowns out our soul's gently whispers, leaving us feeling lost and uncertain. We're so caught up in the hustle and bustle of life that we have forgotten how to listen to our inner voice. We're more likely to trust the opinions of others than our own inner wisdom. Not me. Trust me. We've lost touch with our soul's language, that nice yet powerful guidance system that's been with us since birth. Excuse me. But what if we could tap into that wisdom? What if we could learn to listen to our soul's messages rather than ignoring them or discounting them as a mere fantasy? Have you ever experienced a hunch or a gut feeling that something was right or wrong? I have, definitely. That's your soul speaking. Have you ever had a dream that felt more real than your waking life? That's your soul trying to communicate. Have you ever felt an emotion response that seemed out of proportion to the situation? That's your soul trying to get your attention. Our souls are speaking to us all the time, but we have been trained to ignore its language. Hallelujah, Yahweh, once again, it's the truth. We have been trained to ignore our soul's language. So just like I said, you guys got that gut feeling that that was the right thing to do, so you did it. And then you had that gut feeling to not go out that night and you didn't, but your friends who went out that night passed away. So following that gut feeling is definitely what you want to do every time because that ain't nothing but the creator trying to speak to you through you. That's it. But when we're quiet, still, and open minded, we begin to tune into our soul's frequency. Hallelujah. Once again, that's true. We are frequency beings. Like they say, energy can't be created nor destroyed, only transferred. We started to notice patterns, synchronicities, and correlations that feel hollow and meaningful. We start to trust our intuition even when it doesn't make rational sense. We start to feel a sense of unity and connection with the world around us rather than fragmentations and disconnection. I recall a pivotal moment in my life when clarity emerged. I was struggling to find my purpose, feeling lost and uncertain about my path. One day while journaling, I stumbled upon a quote that read, "The purpose of life is to find your gift, and the meaning of life is to give it away." In that moment, everything clicked. I felt a sense of alignment and purpose that I never felt before. It was as if my soul had finally gotten through to me and I knew exactly what I had to do. So I want to just back up a moment. That quote that we just read, the purpose of life is to find your gift and the meaning of life is to give it away. Hallelujah. I just want to give praise to the Most High for that quote being put in this message for today. So if you don't know anything, if you don't know your purpose in life, Just try to figure it out and then give your purpose away. You know what I'm saying? That's basically what I'm doing right here in this video. You know what I'm saying? As we explore the realm of our souls, we come to realize that it's been guiding us all along. It's been whispering secrets, nudging us towards our highest potential, and urging us to trust ourselves. The more we listen, the more we realize that our souls is our greatest ally, our closest friend, and our wisest teacher. Hallelujah. Thank you, Abba, for this information. It's powerful. In conclusion, listening to our soul's messages is the key to unlocking personal fulfillment and growth. By tuning in to our inner voice, we can overcome the distractions and noise of the world and instead follow the gentle guidance of our soul. All praise to the Most High. Thanks for watching. And if you had any experiences where your soul has spoken to you, I would love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're ready to dive deeper into self-discovery, be sure to check out my next video on uncovering your true potential. That will be the next video that I will be making. Trust me. I'm going to highlight that. Uncovering. The video is going to be about uncovering your true potential. That's what the video is going to be about. But yeah, man, I just want to give all praise to the Most High, but I also want to thank you for sharing your time and supporting me along my journey. Hope you guys did take some powerful knowledge from this video because I did. And be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Because that video of uncovering your true potential is coming too soon for you and me. So stay tuned. Shalom, family.